Biryani and Coke. What a crazy combination to have, isn't it? But you wake up with burning chest and cough in the middle of night. ऐसा हुआ था पहले आपको? Then you might be having an acid reflux. Hello, I am Dr. Srilekha, consultant physician on MFine. And today, let me give you some information about what is acid reflux, what are the causes of acid reflux, and how to treat acid reflux, and some simple tips to prevent acid reflux. So, what is acid reflux? Our stomach produces acid which helps in digesting food particles, and only the stomach lining can tolerate this acid, and nothing else in the body can tolerate that. There is a valve present between the food pipe and the stomach, and this valve helps in allowing the food particles to enter the stomach. The same valve also helps in preventing the acidic contents of the stomach from entering the food pipe. This valve is also strengthened by a flat muscle called diaphragm that separates the chest space from abdomen. But by any chance, if the acidic contents are entering the food pipe, then it leads to symptoms of acid reflux. At times, these contents can reach up to the throat. Now that you know what is acid reflux, let's try to understand what are the causes of acid reflux. There are two basic mechanisms why acid reflux can be caused. Either the valve should open up or there should be increase in abdominal pressure. Smoking and alcohol, they directly increase acid production in the stomach and also open the valve. When a person coughs because of primary smoking or secondhand smoking, there is increase in abdominal pressure, which pushes the acidic contents of stomach into the food pipe, leading to acid reflux. Obesity, there is abnormal fat deposition in and around the belly region. So there is increase in abdominal pressure gradient. High fatty meal. Whenever a person consumes high fatty meal, the time food is present in the stomach increases, thus increases the chances of acid reflux. Carbonated drinks. Gases present in these carbonated drinks are released as a part of burping, during which the valve opens and also the acidic contents leak into the food pipe, leading to acid reflux. Other substances like coffee, tea, mint, garlic, chocolates, all these can also lead to acid reflux. Medications such as antihypertensives, antidepressants directly act on the valve and open it a little, leading to acid reflux. Strenuous exercise after eating, especially bending exercises, they increase the abdominal pressure, leading to acid reflux. Medical conditions like hiatus hernia, where there is a structural deformity of the valve and also the strength is lost partially, leading to the contents entering into the food pipe. Now, coming to the symptoms of acid reflux. The acidic contents irritate the food pipe and also the throat in few cases, because of which the person can have burning sensation in the chest, upper abdominal pain, abdominal discomfort, bloating, a feeling as if something is stuck inside the throat, dry cough, hoarseness, acidic taste in the mouth. Severe symptoms include pain while swallowing, difficulty in swallowing, and also blood and vomiting. If a person is having these symptoms for 3 times a week for more than 3 months, then the person might be having a significant reflux. Have to prevent acid reflux. Weight loss and maintaining normal healthy weight. Avoid excessive consumption of coffee, tea, alcohol, and try to stop smoking. Eat small and frequent, less spicy meals. Try to have an early dinner and also try to avoid lying down immediately after food intake. This will help in keeping the food contents in the stomach. You can also try head inclined position by placing 6 to 8 inch block below the bed pillars during sleeping. Avoid wearing tight clothes or belts which will increase the abdominal pressure. Now, what are the complications of acid reflux? Long-term acid reflux can lead to complications like stricture formation. There is abnormal permanent narrowing of the food pipe or esophagus, leading to symptoms like pain while swallowing or difficulty in swallowing. There can be ulcer formation in the esophagus because of chronic irritation by acidic contents of the stomach. And most importantly, there can be Barrett's esophagus, which is a pre-cancerous condition. And this can happen in individuals who have acid reflux for more than 10 years. How to treat acid reflux at home? You can try taking antacids like Pantop or Rantac for 2 to 4 weeks and see if there is an improvement in symptoms. Do not try any DIY projects as a part of acidity treatment at home. Please avoid them. If the symptoms are not improving after using these antacids, try to consult with a doctor and get yourself checked. There may be a need for endoscopy. Remember, long term usage of Pantop or Rantac can lead to side effects.
Don't forget to like and share this video. For more such videos, do subscribe to the MFine channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.